Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So are you ready to refine your XAUUSD trading strategy? In this particular video, we are going to be diving into the best indicators for XAUUSD, alright, designed to help you master gold trading and make smarter trading decisions. If you're serious about improving your trading game, stick around to the end. There's something here for everyone, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. Okay, so let us get started. Now, gold or XAUUSD is one of the most traded assets in the Forex market. Known for its volatility and responsiveness to global economic conditions, trading gold requires precision and a solid strategy. All right. This is why choosing the right indicator is critical, okay, because it helps you filter out noise, identify trends, and make informed decisions, right? Now, unlike other instruments, XAUUSD reacts strongly to factors like inflation, central bank policies, and geopolitical events. A good indicator can help you understand and predict how these factors influence price movement. Okay, when it comes to trading gold, the best indicators have a few common traits. They help you identify trends and reversals effectively, they provide clarity in volatile markets, and they are adaptable to different trading styles, whether you are scalping or looking at long-term opportunities. All right. So now for XAUUSD, indicators that focus on momentum, trends, and key price levels tend to work best. All right. And such indicators include the moving averages, the RSI, and Bollinger Band. They are popular choices, okay? But they are advanced indicators tailored specifically for gold trading, okay? And we're just going to cover a couple of the indicators you can use to trade gold effectively. All right, the first indicator we're going to be looking at is the moving average. All right, the moving average is one of the most popular indicators used for trading gold. Now, moving averages are excellent for trend following. Okay, a combination of short-term and long-term moving averages can give you crossover signals. For example, I just added the 50 EMA to the chart, and I'm going to add the 200 EMA as well in order to get good crossover strategies. So whenever you have the 50 EMA cross below the 200 is a sell signal. On the other hand, whenever you have the 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA, it's a buy signal. All right, it's as straightforward as that. Okay, so the crossovers help you determine whether the asset, whether gold is in an uptrend or a downtrend. Whenever you have the price of gold trading above the moving averages is an uptrend, and when you have the price of gold trading below the moving averages is a downtrend. Okay, now the next indicator we're going to be looking at is the relative strength index. All right, the relative strength index is a momentum oscillator, and it tells you when the market is overbought or oversold. Okay, and that is very crucial for identifying potential reversals in gold. For example, when we have the RSI value above 70 and starts curving downwards back below 70, it shows a sell momentum, right? It shows that the asset was overbought and is now seeing bearish pressure. And you can see that right after that happened, we had the value of gold decline. All right, so that is a good way to spot potential reversals. On the other hand, when you have the indicator close to or within the oversold territory and you have the RSI pointing upwards, it shows that there is buy momentum. So you can consider entering a buy, set your stop loss below the swing low, and take your profit at resistance zones or perhaps when the RSI entered the overbought territory. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. Now, the next indicator we're going to be looking at is the Bollinger Bands, right? The Bollinger Bands, they help you identify volatility and potential breakout points or breakout zones, right? They are particularly useful in gold trading, where price often consolidates before making significant moves. Whenever you have the Bollinger Band squeezing or contracting, it shows a period of low volatility, all right, like what happened here. So whenever you find that, you should be looking out for a breakout. Okay, whenever you have this Bollinger squeeze happening, the next thing you should look out for is a breakout. And when a breakout happens, you might want to ride the breakout till the end until you notice a reversal pattern. For example, we can see that we would have entered the buy around here after this breakout was confirmed and then exited around here when we noticed this bearish reversal candlestick pattern. You can see this bearish engulfing. It has been a sign to exit our buy. All right. And basically, when the Bollinger Bands start to widen apart, it shows that there is increase in volatility. Okay. Now, another indicator you can use for trading gold is the Fibonacci retracement. Right? Gold tends to respect Fibonacci levels. Okay. But mind you, Fibonacci is used in trending markets. Okay. The Fibonacci retracement tool. So we can see, we're just going to add the tool to the chart right away. So let's see, this is a trending market we have identified. You draw your Fibonacci level from the low to the next high, and then you spot the potential reversal point. You might find a reversal around the 23.6 level or 38.2 level or 50% level or 61.8%. So whichever level you find a reversal, ensure you get a confirmation. For example, a bullish candlestick pattern that is in a bullish trend, or bearish candlestick pattern in a bearish trend. So whenever you get confirmation and you see that price is actually bouncing off one of these critical levels, then you can go ahead and enter a buy trade, set your stop loss below the swing low, and take your profit at resistance zones. All right. Now, there are also different custom indicators that can be used for trading gold. Actually, some indicators are specifically designed for gold, right? Often tailored signals based on gold's unique price behavior. Okay, now such indicators can save you time and effort by focusing on what matters most for gold trading. All right, now let's talk about time frames. Time frames are equally important when using these indicators. Okay, while some traders prefer shorter time frames like the 15-minute or 1-hour charts for scalping, others find higher time frames like the 4-hour or daily charts for more reliable trend analysis. For gold, the higher time frames often give you a clearer picture, reducing the impact of market noise and false signals. This makes your strategy more robust, especially if you are a swing or position trader. All right, now one of the keys to success is not relying on a single indicator, but combining multiple tools to confirm signals. For example, you can pair moving averages with RSI to confirm trend direction and momentum, or use Fibonacci retracement levels with Bollinger Bands to refine your entry and exit points. Remember, no single indicator is perfect. The real power lies in understanding how they work together and adapting them to your personal trading style. If you found this breakdown helpful so far, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Forex trading content. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss an update, okay? Let me know in the comments which indicator you prefer for trading gold, or if there's another tool you'd like me to cover in the future. Now, before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for using indicators with XAUUSD. 1. Always backtest your indicators on historical data to see how they perform under different market conditions. And secondly, combine technical analysis with fundamental insights. Gold is highly sensitive to global events. And finally, be patient. Gold often consolidates before making major moves. So wait for the clear signals before entering a trade. With these tools and tips, you will be well equipped to navigate the gold market effectively and confidently. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other traders. Remember, trading is a journey, and the right tools can make all the difference. Until next time, happy trading.